Hi, I'm Day Wilson, and today we're going to put together an Ooni Pro. This is an outdoor pizza oven. I am so excited. You can see that there's snow outside. It's freezing, but it's been in my dining room for far too long. So let's put it together so we can get cooking. So all of the pieces are here on this awesome cart. I bought the cart and I'm so glad that I did because it's going to be perfect for holding this unit, which is just so substantial and yet light. All the pieces are here. So why don't you get a shot of the inside, check it out. So we're going to be decking it out with the cooking area, the surface area, the part that holds the fuel, all of that. So the first thing that we're going to do is I'm going to flip it on its side and we are going to just flip out the 3 legs. This is going to give it a really sturdy base. Everything can be done by hand. We don't need any tools at all to put it together. So there we go. We've got that. Next up comes the chimney. So here's the chimney, and you can see there's just like this little slot right here. There's a little flange. I'm going to put it right onto there. And then right here around the back, we have this little clip. Clip just goes down, hooks around. That's it. Couldn't be easier. For storage, there is a cap. I will put it on there now. Now we come around to the front. There's a guard, and that just slides in. This is going to keep, any of our ashes and things like that in the oven. Goes right on there. Comes with 4 of these little nuts, and they make a point of telling you to just hand tighten. So you don't need any tools. It's preferable not to use tools. So just bear with me for a moment while I tighten these down. Bye. We should have timed this. I think it's going to be less than 10 minutes. It's very, very easy to put together. It's the first time I've done it. Read the instruction manual, was really clear. All right, there we go. So now that is in place. That's what we need for that. Now, if you look inside, we've got these pins. These are going to hold the stones up. It's going to help circulate air and help it get super hot when we want it to be. So that's the next thing I'm going to put in. 2 big stones come in the kit. You see there's those little stops in the back. I'm just going to slide these right in. There we go. Nice tight fit. That's where our pizza's going to go. Now this piece, this is going to hold our charcoal and wood fuel. And this just slides right to the back there. Drops right in. Now if you come around the back, I'll show you. You can look down. This is the area where our fuel is going to go. We're going to do charcoal and wood pretty soon. And then this cover just couldn't be easier. Goes right on there. Now, the last part, the door or doors. Unit comes with 2 different doors. This door is the full door. It has the thermometer on it. You can see how this is nice and big. That's why I was so excited to get the Pro. I can do a whole chicken in here. I can do leg of lamb. And if we're going to do that, we would use the full door. We've got these little pieces here that fit right in. Slides right in. That's it. To open, that's it, or closed. Very simple. But if we're cooking pizza, we might choose to use the pizza door. The bottom is the same, fits right in. And then That's it. It's installed. This piece here is going to keep the heat in. We can get our pizza peels in and out really easily. Once we get this baby cranking to 900 degrees, we're going to be ready to cook our pizza. So like I said, we should have timed that. Didn't think it took very long. It was not hard, except that my fingers are freezing. So they do recommend that you do one burn in it with fuel before you cook. So that's the next thing we're going to do.